who's that?
Oh! that was my mistake. You're good, man. You're good. Hello, folks. Welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're going to go out with the Tekno EB410.2 and the AMAIN 4-wheel drive. No changes this week. I'm just getting used to the setup. I'm still on that Jared Wiggins 2021 medium clay with the... but I have the diffs on the lower position, so that's the only change. I'm still getting used to that. Also, if you're really paying attention to that setup sheet, I'm not using the 6-hole pistons in the shocks. I'm using the 8-hole, so I'm still on like a stock shock setup, so it does slap a little bit more, and over the season I do want to improve the shock setup on this, but for now we're just going to run it as is and see how we do. Okay, starting in P6.
First, phone's down. Alright, phone's down. Ready? In less than 5. Nice so far. Give it a little here. Open the marshals. Very tight move. Oh, tumble at the start. Tumble at the start. Very tight, very tight. Second last third. Nathan, first place. Aaron, second place. Brian in third. Mike in fourth. Joe in fifth. John in sixth. Pascal in seventh. Michael in eighth. And Nicholas in ninth. And we already have it changed in position. We got Sarah in first. 22. That's the turn to the fastest lap. Brian in second. We're 20 seconds behind. And Mike in the first order. Nathan. And then fastest lap set by Nathan right now in third place. He's climbing up again from first. Darren's in first, Brian in second, Nathan in third. Still louder? Dara currently in first place, Brian in second, Joel Lagasse in third, Mike in fourth, Nathan in fifth. Fastest lap so far currently set by Dara at 23.29. Everybody's got a good pace. Sixth lap in right now. Dara's in first place still. Brian in second. Right on his heels. Brian said the fastest lap so far with 29. Joel Lagasse in third place, and Mike in fourth place, and then Nathan in fifth. Sarah still leading, 23.3. Brian in second.
I'm on no man's land by myself.
Joel Lagasse in fourth and Nathan in fifth. Nathan now leading with the fastest lap in 21. As we start the ninth round, nobody's changing position. Very close together. Sarah, Brian, and Mike.
2 minutes left.
Nathan made up a spot in third and fourth place. So Legacy in fifth. We got John in sixth, Richard in seventh, and Michael in eighth. And last but not least, Pascal in ninth.
Oh! That was my mistake. You're good, man. You're good.
You see a big fight in first position right now. Dara still in first. Oh, by Brian passing. Oh! Tight racing, tight racing.
Oh!
Brian made it to first place. Dara in second. Mike in third. Nathan in fourth.
Dang. I may have fallen down the last by my mistakes.
Oh, double Dara.
1 minute left.
Only 1 minute to go. Brian in first place. Dara in second. Mike in third. Oh! Jump swap position. Brian still first. Nathan is now in second. Made up a raw spot. Got Mike in third. Dara in fourth. Joel is in fifth. Not far behind. Watch the curb line. It's okay though. Nathan currently in first position. Still leading with the fastest lap by 22.1.
Nice long left done. The
Brian
boot
in
done.
second.
East done.
Dara's in third. Joel in fourth.
Hey! Oh,
Richard Todd done.
Marshall it. You gotta marshal it.
Nathan
come on!
Glover
I'm
done.
still live.
Nathan seems like he took first position.
He's well done.
Fastest lap as well.
Brian Nesbitt done.
Dara in second.
JK
Brian
done.
first.
Joel Wagachi done.
Ridiculous ending.
All drivers are finished.
Fifth, Richard sixth, John in seventh, and Mike eighth. Pascal in ninth.
And they jumped wide.
Oh yeah, that was a weird ending. All right, that was 4-wheel drive A. Oh man, I had a full speed collision at the end of the straight a couple times. Everything looks okay though. All right, that was 4-wheel drive A main. If you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.